Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You already have clean data, so begin by selecting a single top cell where results will spill. Enter equals unique range and press enter. Excel 365/2021 spills results automatically. Once done, make sure you use the proper range and included or excluded headers consistently because headers change output alignment. If you need only values appearing once, add exactly once. If comparing columns, toggle by call. This immediate step returns distinct items, so you can inspect duplicates. Now refine how uniqueness is determined by creating a combined key. You can use concat or choose to merge columns into a single comparison field. This ensures multi-column duplicates collapse correctly. Once done, wrap unique with sort or sort by to get a consistent order, and add filter to exclude blanks or unwanted items. For older Excel without unique, create an index/match with countif helper column as an array-style alternative. This middle work prepares clean unique lists for reporting or lookups. Finish by deciding whether the spilled unique array should remain dynamic or become static. Copy and paste special as values to lock results, or convert the source to a table so new rows auto-include in the unique range. Once done, update dependent formulas and charts to reference the spill range properly. If something goes wrong, check immediately for merged cells, mixed text and numbers, or invisible leading spaces. Fix those and recalc. A final validation pass ensures your unique list is accurate and robust.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.